In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website fit all screens. It's important for your site to look great on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. So I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor for your project. If this is your first time navigating there, simply log into your Wix account, and you can select your site from the dashboard. Once you've landed on the editor page for your site, you're in the right place. Now, what we're going to do is switch to the mobile view. You might notice the option at the top of your screen. Click on that, and this gives you a preview of what your website currently looks like on a mobile device. It's crucial to view your website from a mobile perspective because more people browse on their phones, and you want your site to be mobile-friendly. As we look through the mobile version, it's time to start editing it specifically for mobile devices. Focus on how the content is displayed and ensure it's easily readable and looks professional. Sometimes content might not align well or images might not scale down perfectly. Next, click on any text element within your mobile view. You'll see a panel appear with several options. Now is the time to adjust the text. Think about size, font, and color. Remember, while you want everything to look visually appealing, readability is key here, so ensure the text isn't too small or too large for the average mobile screen. Continuing from here, we're going to tweak the site settings further. Navigate to where you can find the settings option and click on it. Within this section, seek out the text and icon options, as these allow you to further refine the visual elements of your page. Now that we've made a few adjustments on mobile, switch back to the desktop view by clicking on the desktop icon. You should notice that the changes made for mobile didn't affect the desktop version. Wix allows you to adjust them separately to cater to each format individually. At this stage, it's a great idea to take a moment to review. You're looking for consistency in branding and ensuring that your website maintains its fluidity across all devices without having experienced any unintentional design shifts. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your site looks on all screens, it's time to save your changes. You'll find the Save button at the top right. Make sure you click it to keep all your hard work intact. And there you have it. Your Wix website should now fit all screens seamlessly. Remember, a well-optimized website not only improves user experience, but can also enhance your SEO. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.